NewTechWood offers two types of hidden fastening systems. The first is the T-clip hidden fastener system. These clips will give you approximately 1/4 inch or 6 millimeters between the deck boards. Each box contains 75 T-clips and 15 locking clips. The T-clips allow the boards to expand and contract, while the locking clips anchor the deck board to the joist, preventing any movement. It's very important to use the correct type of clip at each joist so that the deck boards will expand and contract correctly without causing buckling or warping. We'll cover that more closely in just a minute. The second type of hidden fastening system is the mini gap system. These clips will give you approximately 1/16 of an inch or 1.5 millimeters between the boards. Each box contains 75 clips that allow lateral movement and 15 locking clips that do not. Sold separately are the starter clips that you can use on the first board, last board, and stair treads of your deck. Each box of starter clips comes with 25 clips and screws. Deciding where to put clips which allow movement and where to put the locking clips which don't depends on the pattern of your deck boards. The purpose behind the two different types of clips is that you control which direction the boards move as they expand and contract, which they will do naturally with changes in temperature. Here are the placement patterns for some of the most common scenarios you'll come across. These locations are the same whether you're using the T-clip or mini gap fastening systems. For one board in a row with no butt joints, your locking clips go in the center, and every other joist will have T-clips. Only one side of the locking clips have teeth, so make sure they are correctly positioned over the board that is to be secured in place. For two boards in a row, your locking clips will be installed at the butt joint on both boards so that they expand away from the joint. If you have more than two boards in a row, the board in the middle would have locking clips at the center, and the two end boards would have locking clips installed at the butt joints so they expand away from the center boards. The fourth scenario is if you install a breaker board between your rows, thus eliminating the butt joints. In this situation, your locking clips go in the center of each board, similar to the first scenario. In order to secure the breaker board, cut off one wing of the T-clip and then slide it into place. For more information, please refer to the installation instructions, where you'll find detailed diagrams illustrating the correct clip locations for a wide variety of patterns as well as detailed gapping requirements for the end of the rows.